This edible insect taster gift box includes a selection of our most popular insects, each packaged in its own container. We intentionally omitted any seasoning, so you can fully experience the authentic taste of the insects without any flavor distractions. If you've never tried edible insects, this is an excellent opportunity to embark on an exciting journey into the world of entomophagy. This box contains 9 edible insects in total: crispy mealworms, popular house crickets, Moorish Jamaican crickets, delicious black crickets, juicy sago worms, tasty cicadas, nutritious locusts, flavorful silkworm pupae, and creamy bamboo worms.